How to buy LQNA token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. And to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here or click on trade LQNA to use this. Now click on it. To expand this window, click on this icon and you will be able to redact it to a hyperliquid exchange platform. Now what you need to do here, connect your wallet for that. So let's select the buy, select the market or the limit. Now, if you select the market, just drag this to set how much a percentage of USDC that you will use on your wallet to buy this token. Now, if you select the limit, type here how much you want to buy of that token. And here you will be able to see how much you will be paying. After that, click on enable trading and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LQNA token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.